Do you know what happens if we never give rest to our mind? Just like a mobile phone battery gets low if we keep using it, our mind also becomes tired when we think too much or worry too much. A tired mind makes us angry, sad, and weak. But here's the good news. We can relax our mind very easily with small steps that even children can follow. So in this video, I am going to share with you some simple and powerful ways to relax your mind. Stay with me till the end, because these tips will make you happier, calmer, and full of energy. Let's begin. Part 1. Why should we relax our mind? Our mind is like a machine. Every day, it works non-stop. We use it for studying, thinking, remembering, solving problems, playing, and even dreaming. But just like a machine becomes hot and tired after long use, our mind also becomes tired if we don't give it rest. Now, you may ask, why should we relax the mind? Here are some reasons. When the mind is tired, it's hard to focus on studies. We make mistakes because our brain cannot think clearly. Stress can even make our body weak and sick. But if the mind is relaxed, we feel peaceful, strong, and happy. So remember this. Relaxing the mind is as important as eating food or sleeping. Without it, we cannot enjoy life properly. Part 2. Simple ways to relax the mind. Deep breathing. One of the easiest ways to relax the mind is deep breathing. Here's how you do it. Sit in a quiet place. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath through your nose. Hold it for a few seconds. Then slowly breathe out through your mouth. If you do this 5 to 10 times, you will feel calm, light, and peaceful. Deep breathing gives more oxygen to the brain, and that makes the mind peaceful. Try it whenever you feel worried or stressed. 2. Listening to music. Music is like magic for our mind. When we listen to soft and happy songs, our mood changes. Gentle music makes the brain calm. Nature sounds like birds, rain, or sea waves can also relax us. Singing along with a favorite song is a fun way to forget worries. So next time you feel stressed, put on some peaceful music. You will see the difference. 3. Playing games or sports. Playing is not only for fun, it is also for relaxing the mind. Outdoor games like football, cricket, or badminton make the body active and fresh. When we play, we forget our worries. Even indoor games like chess, carom, or ludo can refresh the mind. Sports also make us strong and healthy. A healthy body always helps the mind stay relaxed. 4. Spending time in nature. Nature is like the best doctor for the mind. Looking at trees, flowers, and green grass makes us happy. Walking in a park or near a river gives us peace. Watching the sky, clouds, and stars at night makes the mind calm. That's why many people love morning walks. Nature heals the mind and fills it with positive energy. 5. Talking to family and friends. Sometimes the mind feels heavy when we keep all our worries inside. Talking to someone we trust can make us feel light. Share your feelings with parents, siblings, or close friends. Laughing and chatting with friends makes the heart happy. Good company always brings peace. Remember, problems feel smaller when we share them with someone we love. Reading books and stories. Reading is another great way to relax the mind. Storybooks take us to another world of imagination. Funny stories make us laugh. Moral stories give us positive thoughts. When we read, our mind becomes busy with good ideas and forgets stress. Even 10 minutes of reading daily can make a big difference. Drawing, painting, and art. Creative activities like drawing, painting, or making crafts can relax the mind. Colors bring joy and peace. Making art helps us focus on beauty instead of worries. Art also allows us to express feelings without worries. That's why many people paint or doodle when they feel sad. It's like giving the mind a holiday. Writing a diary. Writing thoughts in a diary is another wonderful way to relax. When we write, we remove stress from the heart and put it on paper. We can write about our day, our dreams, or even our problems. Writing clears the mind just like cleaning a messy room. It's a private friend who always listens. Yoga and meditation. Yoga and meditation are old but powerful methods for peace. Simple yoga poses relax the body and improve health. Meditation means sitting quietly, closing your eyes, and focusing on breathing. It helps us control our thoughts and feel calm. Many great leaders and successful people practice meditation daily. It keeps their minds clear and strong. 10. Sleeping well. Nothing relaxes the mind better than good sleep. A child needs at least 8 to 10 hours of sleep every day. Sleep gives the brain rest and new energy. Without proper sleep, we feel weak, angry, and stressed. So always sleep on time and wake up fresh. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Stay happy, stay relaxed. Bye-bye.